Now I will share with you Dripify new feature how to add leads from LinkedIn post. Use LinkedIn post engagements to turn post interaction into leads for your outreach campaign. This method lets you collect people who already engaged with a LinkedIn post by liking or commenting on your post, helping you build a highly relevant post list from users who already shown some interest on your post or on your topic. So let's start. First of all, you just need to click on add leads, and after this, now you can see that LinkedIn new feature, LinkedIn post. You just need to select here, and after this you just need to click on next, and after this you just need to copy the URL of the post. For example, I'm just copying here, and then you just need to paste here, and now it's showing only one people comments and 46 people like this post. So you can run a campaign with the like people. You can also run a campaign with the people who comments on your post. And one more thing I want to discuss with you, that you can also put here the URL of your target audience from your competitor's post. For example, this is your competitor post and you want to extract data from your competitor post. You just need to copy the URL of your competitor post and then paste here. And now you can see that the people who comments 5 and the people like 98. Now I want to show you, and 98 people likes. And one more thing, if you want this list automatically update, then you need a advanced version of Dripify. And if you have advanced version, and then this list will be automatically updated. For example, I want to run lead the people who like my post and showing some interest, and then you just need to click on next, and after this same people found in your campaign, you can also select here no photo. So different things that you can select according to your requirement, and once you are satisfied, then you just need to click on next, and you need to write the name of the campaign, for example like post, and then you just need to click on create a list. And now after this you can click the next, and now you can see that different pre-built templates are available. You can use according to your requirement. For example, this one is just for LinkedIn prospectus, and different more prospectus are available, so you can choose according to your requirement. And now you can see that. And if you want to send post cost or webinar invites, you can also select this one. Mostly people who like and comments on your post, mostly people are your first degree connections. So mostly people send the podcast link and webinar invites. So I want to select this one, and now you can see that. And here is the messages. You can change the messages according to your requirement, and now you can see first of all view profile and then message, and now you can see that. Here is a message. You can change the message according to your requirement, and different placeholders are available, so you can use all these things according to your requirement, and now you can see that. You can also change the days and times according to your requirement. For example, you just want after 5 days, you can also select the 5 days, and you can change the message and you can change the placeholder according to your requirement, and now you can see that. Once you are satisfied, you just need to click on next, because some placeholders are available. I need to fill all the placeholders, and then I can click on next. Another thing I want to show you, so totally understand, you can also customize this sequence. For example, I'm just selecting here the next, and I am just deleting all the sequence. For example, this message, okay, and I am deleting all the sequence, and now you can see that I'm just putting one message, and you can also select all those things according to your requirement. For example, I'm just writing here hello, and because this is example, I'm just writing here the thanks. And after this, you can also add more sequence like a view profile, like a post. So different sequence, actions and condition you can add here. You can also just like a post, view profile, endorsement skill. So different things you can put according to your requirement. And once you are satisfied, and then you just need to click on next. And here you just need to give the name of the campaign, for example post likes, and after this you just need to click on save and launch. And now your campaign is running. And if you want to close this campaign, from here you can also inactive this campaign. And if you want to add more list, then you just need to click on leads, and from here post, and you can also add more post here. And now I want to show you, for example this post, your competitor post, and you just need to copy, and then you just need to click here to paste, and now you can see that. So like this you can add more posts, more your target audience, and now you can see that. Give the name of the campaign, post like. So like this you can add, and if you want to remove from here, you can also remove. And if you want to change the sequence, from here you can also change the message. If you have a webinar invites and next month you need to change the link of webinar, you can also change the link and run a same campaign. So different things you can do. It's a good feature, and you can also change the days and times. Anything you can change according to your requirement. And if you want to delete this one, from here you can delete the campaign, and now you can see that. And now you can see that your campaign has been successfully removed. And now my name is Nazar. If you need Dripify training or any other automation tool training about a LinkedIn Sales Navigator, so I am available here. You can also follow me. You can also message me if you have any question about a LinkedIn, about automation tool, about email marketing. So I am available here. Thank you for watching this video.